Alright guys, I'm going to run the numbers here for your bobblehead pool for the Jaguars and the Patriots game. 8:44 p.m. We will go type live on the post. We are live. 8:44 p.m. 8:44 p.m. we are going to grab our list. 10 spots. We will drop it into random. 10 entries, Josh on top and Scott on the bottom. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. We have an 8, we're going 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is an 8. Next click, got your numbers. And 8. Alright, here's your numbers, guys. I will post these on the bottom of the post. We are done. 8:45 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 8:45 p.m. 8:45 p.m.